Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to this Ashtanga Yoga practice, the daily minimum practice, which consists of 3 rounds of Surya Namaskar A, 3 rounds of Surya Namaskar B, and the final 3 lotus positions or cross-leg positions, however you wish to do them. So this will be the full flow. It will move pretty fast, but know that you can always take options as you need to take care of your body. So we'll begin with the opening chant, stand nice and tall. So coming to Samastitihi, you can either stand with the feet together or the feet hip distance apart and just bring the hands into Anjali Mudra. Begin to engage through the bandhas, the Ujjayi breath. Taking a few moments to feel grounded and then take a breath in. Vande Gurunam Charnarabinde Samdashti Satsva Safara Bote Nishte Se Jankai Kayamani Samsala Hala Muha Shanti Abahu Purushikaram Shanka Chakrasi Tarinam Sahasrashvarasam Shvetam Pranamani Patanjalim Om. Release the hands, coming to Samastitihi at the front of the mat. Surya Namaskar A. Ekam, inhale, lift the arms up. Dve, exhale, fold. Feel free to bend your knees. Trini, inhale, lift the heart space. Chatbari, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, baby cobra or full upward dog. Shat, exhale to downward dog. 1. So just easing in here, find your breath. 2, receive come between the heels, the knees up towards the navel. 3, relax, feel tight, feel free to walk the dog, so just keep it nice and easy. 4, firm the muscles of the legs, push out with the shoulders. And 5, bend the knees, look forwards. Supta, inhale, you can step, jog or jump. Ashta, exhale, fold forwards. Nava, inhale, lift all the way up. Exhale, Samastitihi, round 2. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale, fold. Trini, inhale, keep the hands on the floor, lift the chest. Chatbari, exhale, all the way down. Pancha, inhale, back bend of choice. Shat, exhale, pushing back to downward dog. 1, see where you can relax. 2, remember you can always bring your knees down, modify as you need to. 3, rather than modify, take an option. Remember these are all options, not modifications. 4, choose the best option. And 5, look forwards. Supta, inhale, step, jog or jump. Ashta, exhale, fold. Nava, inhale, lift all the way up. Exhale, Samastitihi, final round. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. Trini, inhale. Chatbari, exhale. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. 1, even out the breath. 2, 3, relax around the jawline. 4, squeeze the bandhas. 5, look forwards. Supta, inhale, step, jog or jump. Ashta, exhale, fold. Nava, inhale, lift. Exhale, Samastitihi. Surya Namaskar B. Inhale, sit back, Utkatasana. Palms can float if you wish. Exhale to fold. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, step back, chaturanga. Inhale to lift. Remember your options with the back bend. Exhale, push back, downward dog. Left heel in. Inhale, right leg, Virabhadrasana A. Exhale, fold all the way down. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Left leg. Inhale, left leg, rise up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. 1. Settle in. 2. Feel the energy beginning to rise. 3. Remember, knees down is always an option. 4. And 5. Bend the knees up onto the toes, look forward. Inhale, come through. Exhale to fold. Inhale, sit back, palms together and lift. Exhale, Samasthiti. Round 2, are you ready? Inhale, sit back. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lift. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Right leg. Inhale, right leg, palms touch. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Left leg. Inhale, left leg. Now the palms can float. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. 1. Steady the breath. 2. Relax your facial muscles. 3. Keep firm in the legs. Draw the kneecaps gently in. 4. Be really firm through the hands. Spread out those fingers. And 5. Look forward. Inhale, come through. Exhale to fold. Inhale, sit back, palms together and lift. Exhale, Samasthiti. Final round. Inhale, sit back. And Dve. Exhale. A little bit of Sanskrit. Trini, inhale, lift the heart space. Chaturanga, exhale, lower. Hansha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Right leg. Supta, inhale. Ashta, exhale, lowering. Nava, inhale, draw the shoulders down. Desha, exhale, downward dog, left leg. Ekadesha, inhale. Dvedesha, exhale. Trayodesha, inhale. Chatvadesha, exhale. 1. Steady the breath. 2. 3. Stay happy. 4. Doing really well. And 5. Look forward. Hansha, Disha. So, Disha. Hold. Supta, Disha. Sit back. Exhale, Samasthiti. We take a vinyasa to the final 3. Inhale to lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, look forward, step, jog or jump through to seated. And we arrive for Baddha Padmasana. So cross-legged, half lotus or full lotus. I'm keeping it crossed today. Cross the arms behind the back. If you're in lotus, take hold of the toes with the fingers. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, fold forwards to your own measure. 1, gaze off the tip of the nose, relax the neck. 2, squeeze Mula Bandha. 3, allow the waves to take you deeper into the forward fold. 4, any sensation in the knees, bring it up, stretch the legs out. 5, otherwise continue to surrender. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Squeeze the pelvic floor, inhale, lift up. Exhale, Padmasana. Keep the same leg position, straight lines of energy. First finger and thumbs connect. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, release the chest, chin to chest. 1. So keeping the back pretty straight. 2, just the head that releases forward slightly. 3, really focus on the Ujjayi breath. 4, 5, gaze off the tip of the nose and beyond. 6, this is your drishti. 7, allow the gaze to be soft. 8, 9, and 10. Inhale, look up. Exhale, release. We've got the final sting in the tail of Utplutihi, which means to lift up. Now you can lift up from here, crossed ankles. If you're doing it full lotus position, then just bring yourself into your full lotus position. Take your time doing that. Don't do this if it bothers your knees. Just stay cross-legged, stay happy. Inhale, exhale, and lift. 1, strong breathing. 2, 3. If you can't lift, it's okay to stay down. 4, engage, keep looking forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. 9, and 10. Exhale. You've taken lotus, carefully release. We've got a final vinyasa to freedom. So from here, hide the feet, step or jump back into plank position. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, look forward, step, jog or jump through to seated, and then lay all the way back for Shavasana. You need to bring your knees in, feel free. Otherwise, open the palms of the hands. Roll the toes out. Take a big inhale. Exhale out through the mouth. And again, big inhale. Exhale. Really let go. Big inhale. Exhale. So soften, close the eyes. Let go of drishti, bandha, ujjayi. Allow yourself to drift in a sea of prana as we rest and absorb for a short time. If you wish to stay longer, please feel free. Enjoy the Shavasana. Otherwise, begin to deepen the breath. Bringing some movements to fingers and toes as you move the head from side to side. And take an inhale for a full body stretch. Big exhale. And bending at the knees, bending at the elbows as you gather the knees in for a squeeze and a thank you to the body. Have a rock from side to side until you can roll over to one side. Pause there for a moment, feel the bones heavy. You may wish to plant a seed of gratitude in this fertile soil of the pranic space we've created. And then bring the top hand down, stretch out the top leg as you make your way through to comfortable seated. From here, sit nice and tall. Bring the hands to Anjali Mudra. Take an inhale. And exhale, Namaste. So thank you for practicing this minimum daily practice with me. I hope you're feeling better than when you started. If you enjoyed the class, remember to hit the like button and also to subscribe to the channel. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.